Our daughter Olivia is fast approaching 2, so we've decided it's time to give her room a bit of an update. So we've been having a look around the room and just trying to work out the best way to transition it from quite a neutral nursery into a room that's got a bit more fun and colour. So we've been having a look online, Instagram and Pinterest, and building up some boards. There's definitely an overwhelming abundance of pink and grey when it comes to little girls' rooms. We've been considering nursery quarter as one of the colours, but we think we'll probably bring the pink through in the soft furnishings and decor rather than through the paint colours. One of the ideas that really jumped out to us when we were having a look on Pinterest was the idea of a two-tone wall and picking 2 different colours as a way of bringing a bit more personality into the space. So we decided to go with terrace white on the top and preschool on the bottom. I think we were a little hesitant at the two-tone in the sense that we were worried it was something that would be quite complicated to tackle. It was actually simpler than we anticipated it to be. Peeling off the tape, revealing the two-tone, that really gave us confidence that we'd made the right decisions in terms of the colours. Then it was a really nice piece to bring in all of the soft furnishings and bring in a bit more pink to the space. It was really great to see Liv just run straight in and be overwhelmed with excitement and dive straight into her book wall and perch in the reading corner. I think two tones are a really nice way to bring some more warmth and fun to a room.